Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert data from a picture that you have scanned into your Microsoft workbook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the A plus pencil icon at the top of the screen. Click on Insert in the middle and tap on the third option, Data from Picture. Take a photo of the document that you want to scan. After that, you should select the edges of the printed table to extract, and you should only include the part of text that you want to include. Then click on the confirm button down below. Now your data is being extracted. Here you can find it. So if you are satisfied with the result, tap on the insert icon down below, tap on open anyway, and here your text has been added, as you can see, so feel free to edit it if you want to. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.